What's going on, guys? coachchrispect here. Today we are going to find products on Amazon that sell and generate $30,000 a month in sales. Let's get right into it. So first things first, guys, you're going to need the Jungle Scout web app. I'll throw a link in the description down below. If you do not have it, make sure you click on that link and go buy it. You'll need the basic setup. It's $39 a month, but that tool is the best tool in the industry. It's going to help you find products that sell extremely well. Let's get right into it. So the first thing I do is I will select the categories that I want to sell in. I'm just going to pick a handful for now. We don't want to select too many at a time because it'll give you too much product to go through. So let's just choose products that we're not gated for. Appliance, arts and crafts, sewing, sure. Beauty and personal care is gated. Let's check out another. Home improvement's a great category. Let's look in office products. Patio is a good category right now. Pets is a great category right now. And tools and home improvements. Let's look at these 5 for now. So I've picked 5 categories. I want to display 200 items on the page. So we'll click the 200. Make sure that's clicked. Okay. Now we are going to go into the product tier. We just want standard. We don't want to see oversized stuff. Although it's not bad to see oversized. Oversized could be like, you know, not too big in the realm of size. People think oversized is like a treadmill. It doesn't necessarily mean just treadmills. Let's put both on and see what comes back. Okay, what kind of seller do we want to see? We want to see them all. So let's not choose any of them, or let's choose all of them. Because we want to see what everyone is selling. We don't want to isolate it to anything in particular. Now, we want to find products that sell for a decent kind of range. Not too low. So, let's say the lowest we want to see is things that sell for $20. But we want to see some of the big ticket items. So, let's say $20 to $200 price point on Amazon. Reviews are your competition. The more reviews a listing has, the more competitive it's going to be, the harder it's going to be to sell against it. So you generally want to see low reviews. Minimum, it doesn't matter. We can, you know, want 0. But a max, let's put the max at 200. Now, minimum net and maximum net. Okay, we don't care about that. We're not going to worry about that. We're not going to worry about ratings. We're not going to worry about rankings. We're not going to worry about weight. But here's what we want to put in next. We want a minimum sales requirement per month. So let's put in, we want to see products that sell and generate up to $30,000 in revenue a month. So let's put in $20,000 for now and see what we get back. See if there are any products out there that sell upwards of $30,000 a month in revenue. Maximum sales, minimum sales. Oh, minimum sales, maximum sales. Yeah, a second here. Revenue. Oh, sales. Sorry, sales, wrong category. Sales are how many units. Let's see products that we can do at least 300 units a month on. Minimum, we don't want less than that. And for revenue, let's put a minimum revenue of $20,000 a month in revenue. Let's see what kind of feedback we get there. Okay. So we got 200, and let's hit the search. Let's see if we get anything. Now I'm in the .com marketplace, so I'm in the US marketplace, and there we go. So we've got quite a few things. We got 2,000 results of products that will generate $30,000 or more, well, $20,000 or more a month in sales. So now you're looking at products that may be big ticket. $85, that's not too bad, but have huge amount of sales. 430 sales a month, 334 sales a month. So this first product we hear is a dimmable LED downlight. Let's click that. When we click it, we are going to put it up in our top toolbar. so that we can take a look at it in a moment here. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go through all the different products that populate. Now, one of the ways I filter to find out what products are cheapest to ship is I filter by weight. I want to see products that are the lightest and then filter that from light to heavy. So 262-pound dog training rechargeable. That's not right. There we go. So 0 pounds. We got a Purina Diet Feline for Fortiflora. Okay, we have, so how much does that generate? $22,000 a month in revenue. Retractable dog leash generates $40,000 a month in revenue. It's a $99 retractable dog leash. Let's take a look at that. It sells 410 of those a month for $99. There you go. Another retractable dog leash. We have a pet memorial wind chime. Sells for $30, but sells $700. Does $20,000 a month in sales. Wind chime. So we'll queue up 5 or 10 of these in the top, and then we'll look into the total volume of that niche to see if there's sales for everybody to go around. American Benchcraft leather multi-tool set. We got Calculated Industries AccuMaster 2-in-1 magnetic digital leveler. Ooh, there we go. Sells $1,200 a month at $36,000 in revenue. So a product like that sells for $29.95, you could probably pick that product up for anywhere from $5 to $10 in China, maybe less than that. You'll pay, as per here, a $7 Amazon fee at that price. So if you can buy that product for $8, you'll pay a $7 Amazon fee, you'll be at 50% margin. You'll look to take home half of that, so you'll look to take home $18,000 a month in revenue once you get to that level of sales per month. So let's generate this one. An AccuMaster is a brand, but obviously there's going to be knockoffs or generic versions of that brand that you can sell that are just as good. What else do we have? Steam lights. We got long sticker brush with a sun spas. Doggy device, don't bark deterrents. What else? So I'm just doing the eye test right now. I'm looking for things that stand out photo-wise that seem like they'd be something that would sell, not maybe seasonal, but actually would sell all year round and for years and years to go. Okay, what else we got here? We got lots of pet stuff. Still under like really light products right now. $100 smart air conditioners. Licky brush, $27. So this thing here, Greenhouse Outdoors Oohoo large walk-in plant something for $80. And they sell $750 a month, $60,000 in profit a month. Outdoor outlets. So, I mean, Jungle Scout is an amazing tool because you can filter for exactly what you want. If you want to go hit home runs right away and you want to find products that sell a huge volume and a huge amount of sales revenue for one product, you can filter by that method. You don't have to take any guesses. You can filter by exactly how it is you want to sell, or the volume you want to sell, or the amount of sales you want to make, the competition. You can filter by multiple methods. So what else we got here that stands out? I mean, you could just go by the price here. Microbot push second stand wireless robotic button pusher. A wireless robotic button pusher. That is bizarre. Automation. Okay, we'll look at that. What else do we have here? Pliers, multi-tool. So now we're in tools. Pet supplies, tools, umbrellas by ℂ𝕂𝕂. Ultrasonic mosquito pest repellent 4-pack. Cordless vacuum cleaners selling $21,000, $39 product. Digital circuit breaker finder. Dog collars. So like you'll scroll down, see what else interests you. Right here. Anything else interests me? Still lightweight. Really easy to find stuff. Got tactical pistol mounts. Tactical pistol mount for $89. Sell 400 of them a month. This particular one sells 400 a month for $40,000 revenue. Let's take a look at that. See if we can get some of those in. Alright, so we've got a few populated at the top. Should be good to go. Now, what I like to do next is I like to sort by revenue and see the highest revenue products on here first. Whew, this one here does $1 million in sales. So Pet Safe Smart Feed. So a dog feeder, they're doing 5,000 units a month, $1 million in sales at $179 per unit for this dog feeder. Wow. Automatic dog feeder you can control with your phone. And it's one of the #1 selling products on Amazon. Now the crazy thing about this tool is it gives you all the insight into Amazon sales and all the sellers that are on Amazon. It conducts audits every day, tracks the information, and then uploads the information to Jungle Scout's web app. So when you sign up for the monthly subscription of $40 a month, you then get access to see what everyone's selling and how much they're selling or not selling at all. So then it allows you to then piggyback and cherry pick products that are selling well versus products that aren't selling well at all. So that's why this tool is so special. Again, it's in the link down below. This tool is essential for anyone who wants to start selling on Amazon. And you would have never known that this product, without this tool, I would have never, I still actually didn't know to today. I didn't know that the #1 selling product on Amazon is this automatic dog and cat feeder, food feeder. Almost $1 million in sales from one product per month. So in a course of a year, this Pet Safe is doing $12 million in sales for this one product. So we're going to look at that product and see if we can get in on that revenue. Circuit Easy Press is doing $500,000, 3,000 units a month. Circuit Easy Press, what is that? Some sort of arts and craft thing for $130. So you can source this stuff. So this LED puck lights. So they're doing a set of 6 LED puck lights for cabinets are selling 26,000 units a month. So over $679,000 in sales a month for a $25 product. That's a tremendous product. Here's the same thing again. 17,000 in sales, LED puck lights, $400,000. So we've gotten sorted 2 ways. We sorted by weight to find stuff that's lightweight so that you can buy it from Amazon, from Alibaba tomorrow, have it produced for you, stamp your product brand on it, have it shipped lightweight so you can have it shipped express air. It'll arrive at Amazon in 5 to 7 days. Your product listing will go live and you'll be able to start selling next week. So literally, if you could source that tonight, put an order in tomorrow, have your factory put a brand on it. If you don't have a brand, just go buy one on Fiverr for $5. Just tell them what the name of your brand name will be. They'll make you a logo. You'll get it in a day. Then send the PDF to your factory. The factory will then create the product for you, put your logo on it, ship it. You'll create a shipping plan. They'll then ship it direct to your factory. Or excuse me, you'll create a shipping plan on Amazon, on your Seller Central account. They'll then ship the product direct to Amazon, and once Amazon receives it, they'll put it into your inventory and it'll go live. Now you just have to promote the product, get some PPC advertising running, and start selling and generating sales, and just continually making your listing the best listing on Amazon for that product. So that's it, guys. We found a few products here, all that generate anywhere from $20,000 to $1 million a month in sales, all by using this one tool. Hit me up in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. And if you have any other questions, my name is Coach Chris Specht. Out.